Hello, my name is Chen, and I'm thrilled to announce that I will be presenting a captivating class at the highly anticipated 2023 NGH Convention and Educational Conference on August 11 to 13 in Marlborough, Massachusetts. I want to personally invite you to join me at my seminar titled Decipher and Elucidate the Secrets of Hypnosis, Exploring the Power of Consciousness in Healing on Sunday. In this dynamic presentation, I will unveil the extraordinary potential of hypnosis in unlocking the secrets of consciousness and its profound impact on healing. Together, we will embark on a journey of discovery, where I will show you how the power of hypnosis can transcend the conventional limits and open new doors to healing possibilities. During our time together, you will learn invaluable techniques and insights that will empower you as a hypnotist. I will reveal how to harness the remarkable placebo effect, enhancing its effects through the art of hypnosis. You will gain a deep understanding of how our beliefs shape our reality and how to apply hypnosis to eliminate physical difficulties that may have hypnotized us in the form of ailments, dilemmas, or even epidemics. Imagine the potential of unlocking your mind's full healing potential and empowering others to do the same. By attending this seminar, you will acquire practical tools and strategies that can transform the way you approach hypnosis and healing. The NGH Convention offers an incredible opportunity for personal and professional growth with a diverse range of presentations. You have the freedom to tailor your learning experience to meet your specific needs and desires as a hypnotist. This convention is a gathering of passionate individuals who share the same goal: to elevate our understanding and practice of hypnosis. I sincerely hope to see you at this year's NGH convention and at my seminar on Decipher and Elucidate the Secrets of Hypnosis, Exploring the Power of Consciousness in Healing together. Let's embrace the boundless potential of hypnosis and pave the way for a new era of healing and transformation. Secure your spot today and be prepared to unlock the secrets that lie within. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to expand your knowledge and skills as a hypnotist. Join us at the NGH Convention in August, and let's embark on this transformative journey together.